Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to use the QuickBooks online for a trucking business. So now, whether you're an owner-operator with one truck or you're managing a small trucking company, then QuickBooks can help you keep track of your income, fuel, maintenance, insurance, truck-related expenses, invoices, and the overall profitability. So instead of keeping receipt in the truck or trying to calculate everything manually, so yeah, at the end of the month you can organize your financial records in one place. Okay, so first is we have to log into our QuickBooks account. Now if you don't have an account yet, then you just have to sign up for one, and then you just have to subscribe to any of the available plans. After logging in into QuickBooks Online, the first thing you want to do is to make sure that your company information is set up correctly. So we have to go to our company settings, just go to the settings, and then go to the account in settings. All right, and then you just have to wait for a couple of seconds, and then you just have to make sure that you have your business name, your contact information, and other basic details. So for a trucking business, it is also important to keep your business finances separate from your personal finances. So ideally, you should have a dedicated business bank account and a business credit card for trucking expenses. This makes it much easier to identify the business transactions and reconcile your books later. Okay, so once your account is ready, connect your business bank account and credit cards to QuickBooks. Okay, so yeah, you just have to connect your bank account. And then after that, we are going to organize the chart of accounts. So this one is very essential. So let me just close this one. And then just go to the settings once again. And then you'd be able to see here the chart of accounts. Okay, so the chart of accounts is essentially the system QuickBooks uses to organize your company's income, expenses, assets, and liabilities. For a trucking company, you don't want everything simply categorized as business expense. Instead, you can create categories that make sense for your operation. For example, under income, you could have freight or load revenue and fuel surcharge income. For expenses, you might create categories like fuel, truck repairs, maintenance, so something like that. So you may also need accounts for truck loans, equipments, and other business liabilities. So you have everything right here. So the exact categories you need will depend to on how your trucking business operates. So it's a good idea to have your accountant review your chart of accounts, and you can access the chart of accounts through all apps, accounting, and then chart of accounts in the current QuickBooks Online interface. So you can add those right here. Okay, next one is record tracking income. So every time your company complete a load, you need a properly record the money you earn. For example, imagine you completed a load for a customer freight broker worth 2,500. So we can go here. Okay, so for example, receive payment. So just go here, and then we can create an invoice for the customer using the appropriate income accounts, such as their revenue. So the customer pays, record the payment, and make sure that it's match the correct invoice. Okay, so you have to add it right here. And if you're working with brokers, factoring companies, or different types of customers, make sure that your transactions are recorded consistently. And this becomes especially important when you are trying to determine how much revenue the truck actually generated during a particular month. Okay, so now you can track the fuel and the other expenses. So let's move on to one of the biggest expenses in the tracking, which is the fuel. Just go here to the create a section. Okay, so just go here to the expense. Now, when a fuel transaction comes into QuickBooks from your bank account or fuel card, review it and categorize it as fuel expense. So for example, if you spend $400, so let me just select this one. And then for the payment method, for example, credit card. And then we just have to add here the category. Okay, for example, fuel expense. Then you just have to add here the description and then the amount. All right, so I'll just add here the amount. For example, 400 or 5,000 pesos. And then you just have to add here the tax for this one. So 12% service. Then you'll be able to see here now the total amount. Okay, so the same process applies to other tracking expenses. So a repair shop bill can be categorized at repairs and maintenance. A tire purchase can go under tires. Insurance payments can be categorized as truck insurance. And you can also attach receipts to transactions when appropriate. So you have supporting documentations for your records. So you can add the attachments right here. So now, another useful feature for tracking businesses is the mileage tracking. So let me just close this one first. All right. So QuickBooks Online can track business trips using its mobile app, and it can categorize trips as business owner proposal. And you can also add vehicles and review or export mileage records. Okay. So just have to go to the O apps, and then just have to go to the expense and bills, and then you just have to go to the mileage if you have one already. All right, so you'll be able to see that right here. And then you can, if automatic tracking is enabled, the QuickBooks can detect trips and record the mileage, and you can then review the trip, select the vehicle, and mark it as business or personal. And if you forgot to track a trip, you can also add a trip manually. Just remember that mileage tracking and fuel expense tracking are two different things. So your fuel purchases should still be recorded separately as expenses. And because tax rules can vary depending on the vehicle, business structure, and jurisdiction, consult your tax professional about which deductions and mileage methods apply to your situation. All right. Next one is, let us look at the bill. So tracking companies often receive bills for repairs. So your QuickBooks plan and workflow support bills. So this helps you track the business currently owes. For example, suppose a repair shop sends you in 1,200 invoice for maintenance. So you can record the bill and categorize it as repairs and maintenance. So for example, let's just go to the bill. But yeah, we have to upgrade our plan in order for us to do that. Okay, so we just have to select the supplier right here, and then we just have to categorize this one as repairs and maintenance. So something like that. Okay, so yeah, there are so many things that you can actually do with QuickBooks if you have a tracking business. So just have to go here, just have to explore the interface. All right, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.